You remember, close them now. Close them. Ready to get up. Black and white suit, the opponent. I believe you are coming here for the first time, right? Yes, sir. Very much. You're welcome. This is the home team. You are their own team. Yes, sir. You are playing the hand object. Don't touch me. You don't need to talk. As you are touching you, I will be just wasting your time, and before you activate, before you think of what to do, the opponent has collected the ball from you. So don't stop. I don't just play the ball, the hand object. That's what your coaches need from you. So you welcome them. Thank you. Welcome them.
Wait, I'm 9 now.